just resolve the acuity of my estimate here and the quality of my graph, which is exceeding, okay? And I'm kidding.
A must either equal.
I'm telling you that simple calculus tells you that when 4a plus 3a squared equals 0, that's where this thing either peaks or valleys, okay?
Zero.
So I can take this and I can factor this. I can factor out an a and I get a times 4 plus 3a equals 0, right? Now what value of a would make this 0?
0.
Well, obviously if a equals 0, you're going to get 0, right? Well, of course, we already figured that out by looking, right? If a is 0, the thing would level off. 4 plus 3a could be 0, right?
Yeah.
Well, if 4 plus 3a equals 0, then a is negative 4/3. You can easily solve that. So it is negative 4/3. So wasn't trying to show off or anything, I just lucked out. Okay. Where's it decreasing? Now, you're not going to be able to tell me it's negative 4/3. You know, I could teach you how to do this, but
You said where's it decreasing?
I mean, 10 minutes I could show you how to do that, but it's meaningless at this point. Okay. Where's it decreasing?
The A to.
It's decreasing between A and 0. And my point is, this is how you write out the intervals of increasing and decreasing. Interval notation. You can read the chapter. I mean, there's nothing in chapter 1 that shouldn't be fairly easy for you to read.
So it's basically just it's increasing, then it drops, then it increases
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and that gets real important, like if you're looking at an economic cycle. You want to know where it's going to peak,
The economics.
okay? You want to know where the valley is. If you could predict the stock market, which is kind of interesting these days, you know, if you had this curve and that was the curve that really tells you where the stock market is, you'd know, okay, I sell at negative 4/3 and I buy at 0. Right? So there are all kinds of possible applications, although you know, nobody's ever been able to model the stock market well enough to predict anything. It's human psychology that drives that, as well as other more tangible factors. Okay? So mathematical analysis hasn't gotten there yet.